Alright, this is carbon monoxide. It is made of one carbon atom and one oxygen atom.
This is Bob, and that's Danny. They both feel dizzy and their head hurts.
When the exposures of carbon monoxide to a human, the symptoms are headache, fatigue, dizziness, drowsiness, and nausea.
But they can't smell, taste, or see carbon monoxide.
Remember that carbon monoxide is a poisonous, colorless, odorless, tasteless gas.
But they have nothing that exposes carbon monoxide.
Do you burn natural gas, gasoline, kerosene, oil, propane, coal, or wood?
What? Can it be at my work?
If you work as a welder, garage mechanic, firefighter, taxi driver, police driver, customs inspector, marine, terminal worker, forklift operator, toll booth or tunnel attendant.
Can it be at my house?
Of course, if you leave a car running on an attached garage, if you use fuel burning equipment at home, don't burn charcoal at home, garage, vehicle. If you use gas appliances like ovens or dryers to heat up your house, use of innovative fuel burning appliances in rooms where people are sleeping. Don't cover bottom of natural gas of
Propane.
with aluminum foil, wooden stoves,
and cigarettes. How can it affect us?
Well, on high exposures of it, you begin to vomit, have confusion, collapse with consciousness, and muscle weakness or even death.
Can scientists detect this?
Of course, they can. They use spectroscopic instrument operated by ARM.
How do they measure them?
With contribution to radioactive forcing 2 sites.
What does the government do about it?
Inspections of cars from 1986 to 1994. Also, a law passed in 2006 in Illinois where every home has to have a sealed carbon monoxide alarm within 15 feet of every room used for sleeping purpose.
How does the government inform us about this?
They have cities where you can ask questions, manuals, and information of houses, but other than that, they don't really inform.
Oh, so that's the instrument we're supposed to have in our homes?
Yes, that's the one.
Oh, and how many emergencies visits each year?
About 20,000 visits to the ER.
And how many deaths?
About 400 deaths each year.